How to fix URL signature expired in Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how we can solve the common issue on Facebook Messenger, the URL signature expired error. So if you're having trouble opening links in Messenger on your mobile device, I'll help you walk through the steps to fix it. So let's just get started with the video. So first, let's quickly talk about what this error means. The URL signature expired error happens when a link sent you in Messenger is no longer valid, and this can occur if the link has expired or the content it's pointing to is no longer available. So sometimes the issue may be a temporary glitch. So the first thing you should try is retrying. Just close the Messenger application on your device completely and try reopening the app and try opening the link and go back to the chat and open the expired link again. If this link still doesn't open, then you just need to ask the sender to resend the link. Just go ahead and ask the sender to reset the link, especially times sensitive ones, which may be more likely to work. Another thing we can do is head over, close the Messenger application and clear the cache. For that, go ahead and long press on the Messenger and above our info section will appear. Just go ahead and look out for storage here. After that, clear the cache of the app, which may help you fix the issue. And after that is done, you may just restart the app and try opening the link again. So another method we can apply is logging out of Messenger, which can refresh your session and fix the error. Just go ahead and tap on the menu bar and switch the account, or you may just go to the settings and log out. Otherwise, you may just directly switch the account and log in back into your account and try accessing the link again. The next thing is looking out for updates for your Messenger application. If any kind of update for your Messenger application is available, that may fix your issue if you update your Messenger app onto your device. After updating, just try opening the link again. And if there's none of the steps work, then the link may have expired permanently. So you need to ask the sender for a new or active link, and that's how you basically fix the URL signature expired error in Messenger on your mobile device. So if this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and leave your questions and comments in the below, and see you in the next video.